coming to you with yet another wig review slash try on. And of course this wig is from divatress.com. I have done a review about their wig previously. I'm just gonna make sure that I link it somewhere up here so you can see the type of wigs that they do offer. I love their wigs so very much. They have never ever disappointed. They are synthetic. On their site they do sell both human hair as well as synthetic, but my preference is synthetic from their site because I find them to be quite playful and quite fun, colorful, and nobody could ever tell they're actually synthetic. And yeah, so today let me just show you what I purchased, what I have received. And I've been wanting this wig for such a long time. I tried to order it previously, but they had run out of stock, so I'm quite glad that I finally caught it this time. And of course this is how it looks at first glance. It has a little bit of the pink on the ends of the hair. They do have a variety of different colors of what you want the ends to look like. I believe they have a purple, and this one is a pink, and most likely red. And yeah, just a bunch of different colors. I'll just make sure that I link their website down below. So yeah, let's just open this baby up and see what we got going on. And of course this one is called the Vice HD Lace Wig. Yep. Let's see. It is HD. It has a HD lace. It is pre-plucked, and it says that it's seamless. It has a seamless hairline with a baby hair, and yeah, it's 100% premium fiber. So it is an ear to ear 5 inches deep, and it's hand tied parting. So let's open this baby up and see what we got going on. And of course this is the packaging. I love the packaging so very much. Let's just take it out of the package, toss that away. And yes, it comes again in a little baggie like this. Open it, and that's the little card. I don't know if you can see it. Yep, that's the little card right there. Let's reduce the lighting a little bit. Yeah, that's the card right there. And yeah, gorgeous. So this other back of it, it just has a maintenance information, and this one is called the Vince Unit 3. It's a tip dye hot pink. Yeah, that's what it says on the back of it. And of course it has a hair net. Just gonna remove that just to kind of protect the hair. And remove those. So I've gone ahead and cut out the lace part in front, and look at how it looks right there. That's the little lace part. That's how it looks. And then it has 2 hair combs right in the front. These are the hair combs. And then it has 1 hair comb at the back, and of course the elastic band. This elastic bands right here. And now we're gonna try on and see how it looks. Put it on. And of course I'm wearing a black wig cap. You can go ahead and wear whatever you prefer, but I'm wearing a black wig cap, and yet you cannot really tell. Look at that. You can't even tell. So I just want to see, shift it a little bit. I've never tried a bright color before, as in like different colors apart from red and black. So, and of course your usual colors, but this hot pink got me like, I really liked it, and I was like, I really want to try it and see how it fits and if it's gonna suit me. Yeah, and so far I am loving it. Look at that. So of course it has some baby hairs, so you can go ahead and lay them down if you want to, but today I'm not gonna be laying them down because I kind of love it just the way it is. I'm digging it. Just gonna brush my hair through it like so. I think the parting is exactly where I want it. Look at that. It is so cute. It is so cute. I am loving it. It is so me. It is so me, like my personality. It goes with this wig. So let me just stand up and turn around for you guys so you can see how the back looks like. So this is how it looks at the back, on the side, and on this side. I love the blunt cut. I am so happy with this wig. As I said, Divatress has never disappointed, and I look forward to purchasing more of their wigs. They are giving like no other. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Are you digging it? Are you loving it? Is it something that you see yourself purchasing? If so, what kind of colors or shades would you purchase this type of wig, aside from like plain natural black? Yeah, and that's about it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this little Divatress try on wig. Let me know what you think about this wig, if you liked it. And yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And until next time.